I made another dumb purchase. I got another car. You want to hear why it's kind of silly like that?
You're gonna hear why it's a silly dumb purchase, why he shouldn't have done this. It's a really dumb purchase.
It does sound pretty gross.
Really dumb purchase.
Here it comes. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Knock, 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 knock. It doesn't misfire or have any issues. That's just the press-in wrist pins, like dog shit design that Hyundai did. The press-in wrist pins in one or two of the cylinders are clicking. So essentially what I'm gonna do is modify it until it's loud enough with an intake and exhaust that you can't hear that, and then sell it. eBay came through, $50 intake. $50 intake. And unlike all the other bullshit we've done, this one doesn't have a sensor of any kind in the intake pipe. I don't know how the fuck they sense what the hell's going on, but they don't. So, you know what time it is? Unboxing time! The steering wheel fell off the Civic the other day. Pipe. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. Look at that. What the bloody fuck?
It's to whatever that is.
No, I know, but why is there an O-ring? Look at the O-ring. Look at that seal, dude. I could vape out of this. That'd be sick.
Oh,
Interesting.
hardware.
In a US. A free US priority mail. There's some hardware. I got it red. I got the red version because it's like the car. Now, the pièce de resistance. Oh, no. Fuck.
Is it lost to time?
I don't know.
Was that the instructions?
I think so.
Just threw the instructions into the engine bay? Oh, I see them.
Yeah, they're visible,
They're down there.
but the car's hot.
Yeah.
Hot. All the motherfuckers that say Kia and Hyundai are different companies. Fucking incorrect, bro. They don't even make parts that don't have one of their names on them. Piss off, loser. You smell like farts or whatever.
Yeah. Oh. Yar.
Oh, daddy. Oh, ow, I popped my rib. What the fuck, Richard?
Is this one not holding on to anything?
Nah, that's holding on the adapter, but we don't need the adapter. We just need this little feller to fucking come off. Okay. Now we're just gonna take our little air intake box off. Is it clean?
Damn, that filter looks brand new.
I think I replaced this last time I saw the car. What a shame.
Yeah, there's like nothing in it except one singular wasp.
What a shame. Really?
Yeah, look at
one
it.
feller in there?
There's just one feller.
Oh shit.
He's just hanging out.
He's just vibing. That's sick. We're gonna take this out. Okay. We'll start by disconnecting the intake pipe. So loosen that. It's a 10 mil. Loosen this. Also a 10 mil. Arr, yar. Give her a twist. Off she comes. Now I'm gonna take this air box out. 110 mil there. And 110 mil down here. I don't have a long enough fucking dongle.
And one right there.
Huh? I'm gonna keep these bolts just in case we need them to like secure the new one or whatever. Then down in here, this is like the part that might be kind of shitty, because we gotta take this, goes down and then like back up, and we don't need any of that for the intake, but we do need it out of the way. I'm gonna see if I can get it out without taking the wheel off, but we might have to take the wheel off. Now remember, these clips are really important. Make sure you don't damage these guys or lose them. Very important. This is weight reduction, bro. Oh, that's secured with bolts and shit. This might be turbo ass, dude. Hey guys, look at this. We got the wheel well peeled back. That's all airbox. What the flick? So yeah, you're looking at one clip there, one clip there, and then one clip back here, and one clip fucking here. and then you just peel this back. You don't need to do any of the other clips. You can get in here, and then there's one 10mm holding it here. Ah, there we go. So I pulled it back. You see in here?
Yeah.
That's the other bolt that's holding this fucking thing in. I don't know how they expect you to get to that easily. Oh, and there's a sick. There's another one above it. That's kind of weird. Wonder how that happened. I'm gonna get in here and pop this wire retainer off. Fucking dick. You smell like farts. Okay. Damn. I'm gonna take this 10 out as well because I don't want it rattling around. But I was able to just break the box. So, rip. Now with all that done, I can lower the car back down. I'm gonna leave the wheel off because that'll make it easier to put the fucking intake where it's supposed to go. We're having one of those cool moments where the thing they provided is the wrong fucking size. I think, yeah, we've been here before.
Yes, we have.
And I don't think we were able to. Oh, hold on. This one might fit. I need a little lube. Because last time it didn't fit. What did we do? We like cut the old one up and then fucking glued it together or some shit?
Something like that.
And then it melted, right?
Yeah.
That was on the silica, yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. Sick nasty, bro. Come on, man. Spit on it. Spit on that thing. Hey, look at that. Dude, it actually worked. All the hose clamps are the same size. I have a fucking headache because I drank a bunch of whiskey last night. Check my new ratchet.
Oh, it's actually sweet.
A long ass motherfucking looking ass, 1/4 inch drive motherfucking ass. Fucking ass.
Why are you fucking so much ass?
You know, I'm just wild like that. Remember, always orient these things so that they're easy to take off. So now, my little fucking postal service bag of goodies. I'm gonna take this thing. I'm assuming it needs to go like this. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do that. Get hose clamp on there and put this MF in here. I don't want to put too far in and stress this boot, make it rip. So I'm just gonna get it far enough in that I can see that there's enough room for me to get this hose clamp on. Okay, here's my question. What the fuck is this for? Because there's nowhere on here that I can attach this to, unless I'm missing a little.
No.
Yeah, there's nowhere to put this.
It's just to look cool.
It looks fucking used, actually, is what it looks like. Do you see that?
Yeah, there's a bunch of scrapes and marks on it.
And there's obvious, like, there were bolts here. What the fuck is this used? What is this?
That's just a piece
Was
of
there a
paper.
sticker on this?
I don't know.
Was I robbed of my... Did somebody buy this, take the sticker, and then fucking give it back?
Maybe.
That's fucked up. Cool. This... See, this is important. Okay, this... Am I missing something?
I don't think so. I think it's
These are just pipes,
I
dude.
think you just ordered it from China.
Yeah. Here's what I'm thinking, man. Watch this.
All right. What are you thinking?
I don't fucking know. Okay, we're gonna pipe. So, editor. Damn it. Editor, play the cool Mario going down pipes at BeamNG right now. Meow, meow, meow. God damn it, thick anime Jesus. Change of plans. We're changing our game plan, okay? We fumbled. Go football. Oh, stop. God damn it. Fucking, okay. Red boot. Halfway on. We want a little flex. No flags. Zone. Now, I can do this shit. Stick it up through here. There we go. That's better. All right. So that's the way to do that. Make it easy on yourself. What up, guys? It's Simon in the Wheel Well, your favorite character in the Great Engine cinematic universe. I don't think that's how we want that.
I don't think that's how it's supposed to go, at least. Maybe it's how
But the good news is you can get it pretty far. Like, there's no bump stop, so you can just kind of put it wherever you want. And I'm thinking we might end up kind of a little higher up, just because I don't want it to get waterlogged when I drive through puddles inevitably.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I don't do that. I don't see a good way to support this.
It's probably what that other hardware was.
No, I know, it's just, what am I supposed to do? So in the front of it, I could put like that bar up here. I don't know how the fuck that would help. I don't think I care. I'm sorry, everybody. If you figure out a way to do that, let me know. But in the meantime, that's all I'm doing, bro. You guys ready? Yeah. We're gonna see if the intake is louder than the clicking. Probably not.
Probably not.
But maybe with the hood closed. We'll do hood open and then hood closed.
Okay.
Here's hood open. Okay, clicking is winning. Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's not louder than the clicking, but
No, it's not louder than the clicking. All right, now hood closed.
okay, it still knocks, but
Yeah. It sounds pretty good.
now here's the thing.
All right, what's the thing? Hit me with it.
The exhaust I want for this, it's only 4 scundo, which is pretty good. $400 for a not a Rev 9, it's a Megan Racing catback. That, paired with that noise, I'm hoping the exhaust out the back overall will make it so the knocky is like less bad. Oh, and it had had a bra, and I took it off and now it desperately needs a fucking car wash or something. It's gross. Don't forget to torque your damn wheel to 2012 Hyundai Veloster wheel lug nut torque, 80 foot-pounds. I just remembered that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna do exhaust on this. We're gonna do engine on silica. That's still gonna happen, brother. And the Suburban, I don't even know if that video is gonna get made, but there was a Suburban and now it's gone. Might see that, might not. It was a lot of pain and sadness. The other day I made a salad. Check out my salad video. I don't know if that's up yet, but I'll probably put I'll probably put a link to it in the description. See ya.